Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love hanging baskets on a porch. However, my hooks from last year fell out and I wanted some that were much more secure. And these little hooks by BOLITE are perfect. So a couple things I love about them. They come with all the hanging hardware you need and even a few extras if you make a mistake or lose some, which is always beneficial in my case. The ones I had before were just one screw, and we had a really bad windstorm and it knocked one of them down, which is so upsetting, not only because I lost my hook, but it also messed up my hanging basket. It came as a 4-pack, which is exactly how many I needed. They were very easy to install. I just marked where I needed to drill the holes. I drilled a hole, put the anchor in, and then screwed them up, and they are on really, really well. If you're looking for a really nice set of wall or ceiling hooks, I feel like these by BOLITE are really nice. I love the simplistic design, super easy to put up, and I think they'll hold really well. And that is my point of view.